this video, I'm going to show you how you can download latest version of 1688 official app the best way, because most people find it difficult to download this app since it is not on Google Play Store or iPhone App Store. But before going fully into this video, I would like to appreciate everyone for subscribing, liking and sharing our videos. And if you are new to our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell for you to be the first person to be notified whenever we drop a new video like this. All is free. We also appreciate our clients doing business with us. Best regard. Now let's go into the business of the day. The best way you can download the official 1688 app. As you can see, I have visited 1688.com. Now you see this information. You see this information that I circled. You click on it. Click it. Another page will load. It will load another page. So after that, you click on download Alibaba app. The system will automatically dictate your operating system that you are using, either iOS or Android version, so you don't need to be bothered about that. So if you click this download Alibaba, it will automatically download. After the download, it will ask you to install, because if I click on this download, it will just open the app on my phone since it has already been downloaded. But yours it will say you should download. You can see you wanted to open the app will be open. So if I click here, it will open. It will be the end of this video. If you like this video, kindly like and share to your friend, and if you have question, kindly leave it in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are yet to do so. Thanks. See you in the next video. Bye.